Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Minecraft launcher error code unknown deep ocean and OX8000 4 time F on PC.
Fix 1. Restart Microsoft Store Services. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type Services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Restart Microsoft Store Install Service. Step 3. Restart Windows Update. Step 4. Restart Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Bits. Fix 2. Reset Microsoft Store Cache. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Step 2. Type WSRset. X. Step 3. Press Enter and wait for Store to reopen. Fix 3. Repair or reset Minecraft Launcher. Step 1. Open Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Step 2. Find Minecraft Launcher. Step 3. Click Advanced Options. Step 4. Click Repair. If not fixed, click Reset. Fix 4. Check Date, Time and Region. Step 1. Open Settings, Time and Language. Step 2. Turn on Set Time automatically. Step 3. Turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Step 4. Set correct region. Fix 5. Reinstall Minecraft Launcher. Official. Step 1. Uninstall Minecraft Launcher from Settings. Step 2. Restart PC. Step 3. Download Launcher from Microsoft Store or Minecraft. Net. Step 4. Install and sign in again.